guys, so it's me, Nicole or Joslin. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you're new here. My footage for my actual video got deleted, and the past week has been really tough. Actually, this whole month of February has been tough, so we're gonna relax and draw some flowers. This has been something I've been doing to de-stress myself from everything that's been going on, I guess. Like, it's not just been academics. I've had a lot of personal life challenges, but don't worry, I'm not gonna dump all of that on you guys. I'll deal with it, I'll push through, and I'll be the usual me again soon after all of this. But yeah, for now, I hope that you guys enjoy this video of me just drawing flowers. It's been something I've wanted to excel in as well, because I really like flowers and I really like drawing. So yeah, this makes me really happy and really relaxed. It just kind of gets my mind off of a lot of the stressful things going on in my life right now, and maybe you guys would like to start drawing as well if you are really stressed out. I don't know. I found these flowers on Pinterest and I just kind of copied them. A lot of tutorials will ask you guys to use a pencil before using ink, but I'm very impatient, so I just kind of went into this straight ink, and I was gonna use different kinds of pens, but in the end I only really used this pen which I showed earlier. It's called Marvi. I got this from National Bookstore. It's Marvi Uchida for drawing, item number 4600 in 0.8. It's acid-free, non-toxic, pigmented, waterproof, photo-safe. And I got it from National Bookstore, as I mentioned. And I think that this postcard is going to be something that I'll send to my pen pal. I already actually made flowers, like flower drawings with my Tombow brush pens, which I sent to my first pen pal, so this is probably going to be going to my second pen pal. And some of you guys have been asking me if I want to be pen pals. At the moment, I feel like 2 pen pals is good enough for me. I basically just write to them about what I do and how I'm feeling, and a lot of things that I don't really get to regularly share with the people I see every single day. So it's really nice, and if you guys want a pen pal, maybe you can just comment down below and find a pen pal in each other, because as much as I'd love to be pen pals with every single one of you, I do not have a lot of time, and honestly, time has been very tight recently. Like, a lot of you guys also ask me how I managed to balance being a YouTuber, singer-songwriter, UP student, all these things. It's really taking a toll on me these days, especially because my personal life has been taking up a lot of my brain, a lot of my emotions, and when my emotions aren't really doing so good, it is a lot harder to do the things that I do, such as YouTube, schoolwork, music, and that's why I always make it a point that I am emotionally healthy and capable of managing my emotions. And if any of you guys are having a really hard time with doing that, I would definitely recommend journaling. Or if you have a hard time writing like that, just talk to someone. If you guys really think that you need it, maybe even go to therapy. But drawing flowers has been very therapeutic for me, and some people used to do the coloring books. Those are really nice too, but for me personally, I really like doing this to relax myself and listening to music. I've actually been listening to a lot of Ben and Ben songs. My current faves are Leaves and Masyado Pang Maaga. Yeah, support local. Honestly, I've been a fan for such a long time, and they actually performed at my birthday gig in 2018, and it was really nice. And I really, really want to watch another Ben and Ben gig, but they're like kind of hard to watch now, especially because I once again don't really have time to go out that much, especially with org work and everything. But I'm hoping that I get to watch them live soon. I love watching local music. Comment down below who your favorite local artist is. Yeah, I'd love to know. But yeah, these are all the flowers that I drew. Yeah, and I just kind of reached for my brush pen and brushed down the words grow and bloom. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please make sure to click the thumbs up and subscribe if you are not yet a Josa. I hope that I see you guys next week in my next video. Till then, I love you guys so much. Hugs and besos.
I got a feeling that we got a chemistry. Give me what's on your mind.